Hi, I'm Rick Lobdo with Concrete Mystique Engraving, bringing you another video. This video today, we are going into this floor, this patio, and we started with original tile pattern they didn't like anymore. They used to have a brick wall sitting area, a brick fire pit, and they didn't really care for any of it anymore. They wanted a fresh look. So we've patched all the joints to get rid of every little detail, and now we're going to resurface it so we can hide all this, and then tomorrow I'm going to acid stain it and start doing my ashlar pattern. We're going to have a completely different pattern on this, completely different look, and it's going to change the entire atmosphere of their backyard. Let's see how this goes. Enjoy. Hi, this is Rick again with Concrete Mystique. Welcome to day 2. So we have overlaid the old tile pattern. If you remember seeing, there was tile there, so we patched all the joints, ground all those patches down, and then resurfaced the entire thing. Now it's time to draw and cut, and then we're going to stain. Sometimes I stain first, sometimes I engrave first. It really depends on if the client wants to see a big difference in the grout lines or the cut lines or the mortar lines, whatever you want to call them, that they look like when I'm done. We're going to do a cool tile pattern, and it's all going to kind of blend together with color. You're still going to see the lines from a three-dimensional point of view. They're not going to not be there, but they're not going to be as abrupt as they could be if I stained it first and engraved second. So let's see how this goes. Hi, Rick Lobdell here with Concrete Mystique. We are day 3 on this beautiful patio, and look how much different it looks now. Remember when we started, we had to patch all the joints of the existing tile pattern that was here before. We had removed the stone, the brick sitting area and the fire pit, and look how much more open this place is now. It's looking great, and it is time to seal. Let's see how this seal goes. Enjoy! Looks so much better than it did before. The color is amazing. The clients actually wanted to have more gray when they first met me, and I kept telling them, no, concrete's already gray. It's hard to make it grayer. It's hard to add gray to it. It's smarter if we go with the cold brown. It'll match the house better. You can tell it matches the house beautiful. Very happy clients right now. They never expected it to be this cool. I just got done talking to them and they're super happy. So just wanted to show you the final look. We got to do one more coat of sealer we're about to do. But I think you get the point. I don't think you need to watch a final coat of sealer. It's still going to be the same color. It's just going to be cleaner. You're not going to have a couple roller marks you see, things like that. So very satisfied customer. Tune in next time on the next design. Have a great day.